We had the fireworks, Detroit fireworks, and my wife got us on the roof of this damn building. I'm gonna have a heart attack because my son about to kill me. He's sitting right here. I bet you can't make him move. American flag with the oh, that's the Canadian flag. Coast Guard flying the flags out. It's 10:01, so they should be getting started any minute. And then you should see me break for the door, cause he gonna try to break and run. I'm gonna have to chase him down.
I know you're not gonna go close, but if y'all go close, y'all get front row seats. Oh.
Gee, this is front row seat.
No, it's a back row seat. It's a back row seat.
No, you closer than anybody else. Nobody else is as close as you are, buddy.